Guys, I don't think this vehicle needs any kind of introduction. I'm sure you know what this is. This is a 2017 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. 707 horsepower, 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi. This one's Destroyer Gray. It's got the optional brass monkey wheels right from the factory. It's got the satin black hood. It's also got the sunroof. This vehicle stickers for $74,000. Good thing about this Hellcat is it's only $58,870. That's because it's used. It's a local one-owner vehicle, off lease. It's absolutely immaculate. We just traded for it. It's gorgeous. It's got an automatic transmission. Inside is clean as an absolute pin. Black interior. As it sits right now, it's got 2,773 miles. I think this is a gorgeous color that Dodge just started making in the past couple of years. If you know anybody that's interested in this vehicle, please don't hesitate to give us a shout. I'm going to put my 1-800 number up here that forwards right to me. So if y'all have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free. My name's Austin. I'm with Ford Chrysler in Franklin, Kentucky. We're the home of no dealer fees and no dock fees. We're right off exit 6 on I-65 in Franklin, Kentucky. We are right on the Kentucky-Tennessee line. So thank y'all for your time. If you got any questions, give us a shout.